Hey guys, I'm back. 2007 Avalanche, number 7 lifter collapsed. I did the Marvel mystery trick, and I'm gonna tell you, I ran it for a little while. I was hoping it would get better, and it kind of was getting quiet. So I decided to take it for a ride. You know, keep it under 3,000 RPMs. Obviously, I did it like 2,500, and little by little it got quiet. I went in the gas station, shut it off, went in the gas station, got a cup of coffee, came back out, and it must have reset that spring, because I'm sure the spring was the collapsed part. And this truck is pretty damn quiet. I mean, it's over with. I got 45 pounds oil pressure, and that tip is gone. So I'm pretty happy. Absolutely quiet. So yeah, thank you YouTube, because that's how I found out. Just wanted to throw another video up. All right, guys.